So do you have an air fryer like this? Or the beeps? Did this make driving you crazy? Well, it was driving me crazy. And I went online looking for how to disable all these beeping noises. Had a hard time finding it, so I'm going to make a video. It's very simple. So what you want to do is simply hold down, whoops, these two buttons here. That's the temp and the light. And it goes to sound off. Turn it back on. Same thing. Hold these two buttons down. Sound comes back on. But we don't want to hear this, so we're going to hold these two buttons down. Sound off. And now you can hit whatever you want and have peace in your kitchen.